In this video, we'll walk through the Push-to-BatchDialer feature in PropStream. This workflow allows you to send skip trace leads directly from PropStream into BatchDialer without exporting or uploading CSV files. Push-to-BatchDialer is a direct integration between PropStream and BatchDialer. It allows you to take your leads that have already been skip traced in PropStream and send them directly into an active BatchDialer campaign. You can access Push-to-BatchDialer from two areas in PropStream: My Properties and the Contacts tab. As long as records have been skip traced and include phone numbers, they can be pushed to BatchDialer. Let's see an example of how you can add Push-to-BatchDialer into your account. First, let's make sure you have a BatchDialer account. If you don't have one yet, sign up for a 7-day free trial to get started. And if you're an active PropStream user, you can also unlock 20% off any BatchDialer monthly plan for life by signing up directly through the PropStream app. Once you have a BatchDialer account, you can then connect it to PropStream using your API key. This is a one-time setup. Log into your BatchDialer account and go to BatchDialer settings, then Integrations, and click the Integrate button on the PropStream card to generate your API key. Next, a pop-up will appear. Be sure to copy the API key. Now, let's configure the API key in PropStream. If you're an existing PropStream user, log in and go to the Account tab, then navigate to Integrations. From there, find BatchDialer under Integrations and click on the Connect button. Here is where you'll paste the BatchDialer API key to connect the software. You can always enable or disable the API key, remove it, or check the connection status from here. For users with team members, you can enable full access to BatchDialer for team members by selecting the checkbox. Once your BatchDialer API key is connected and the integration is active in PropStream, you can begin sending leads into BatchDialer campaigns directly from PropStream. To continue, skip trace your selected records in PropStream. If you want to see a thorough review of skip tracing, be sure to check out our resource video on how to skip trace in PropStream, as this feature helps retrieve necessary contact information. From My Properties or Contacts, select one or multiple records you want to call. Next, open the Actions drop-down and choose Push-to-BatchDialer. This launches a configuration modal where you can define how the selected records will be sent to BatchDialer. This pop-up allows you to assign leads to a specific BatchDialer campaign and choose phone number types: mobile, landline, or both. You may also select how many phone numbers to send per record using a slider from 1 to 12, where 3 is recommended for best practices, as well as apply phone status filters, including public DNC and my DNC. Once you click Save, the leads are transferred automatically and ready to dial. When leads are pushed, PropStream sends the associated phone numbers to BatchDialer. Multiple phone numbers can be included per record, increasing the likelihood of connecting with the contact. This workflow reduces manual steps, minimizes data handling errors, and helps teams move faster from lead research to live calling. It's especially useful for users managing frequent or high-volume outreach. PropStream Pro tip: for best results, set up your BatchDialer campaign ahead of time and complete skip tracing before pushing leads. Push-to-BatchDialer simplifies outbound calling by connecting PropStream directly to your dialing workflow. It's a practical solution for users who want to save time and streamline their outreach process. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for exclusive updates.